how to copy selected pictures in Photos to the clipboard and paste to other apps on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Photos library, and from here, open up the picture that you want to copy to the clipboard. Now in the photo libraries, from here, you can select one or multiple pictures. So tap on the select button, then select the pictures that you want to copy. Then from here, tap on the share button, and at the top, choose copy photos, and this will copy it to the clipboard. After that, you can swipe up and then go to an app such as Notes. In here, I will start a new note, and then touch and hold in Notes, and then tap on paste, and this will allow you to paste multiple pictures. Now you can do the same for text messages app. So here I can touch and hold, and from the pop-up, tap on paste, and this will allow you to paste multiple pictures from the clipboard. So back to photos. Now if you already open up a picture, you can tap on the three dots at the top here, or the more button, and then choose copy. So that will allow you to copy a single picture. You can also tap on the share button and then choose copy photo. So that will do the same thing. And from there you can then paste it to another app such as the Note app. So I'll delete this one, and then touch and hold, then tap on paste, and that will allow you to paste the selected image from the clipboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.